Welcome fitness enthusiasts. If you are starting your gym journey, supplements can play a crucial role in enhancing your performance and overall health. So today we will explore some must-have supplements for beginners and their benefits. First one is vitamin D3. It helps improve calcium absorption, supports mood regulations and boosts energy levels. Crucial for those intense workout. The second one is vitamin C. It helps reduce exercise-induced oxidative stress, aids in recovery and promotes collagen production for joints and skin health. The third one is ashwagandha. It helps reduce cortisol levels, enhance stamina, improves recovery time and can boost strength and muscle mass. The fourth one is omega 3. It supports joint health, improves recovery after workouts and enhances overall cardiovascular functions, helping you train more effectively. Fifth one is Zincovit. It supports muscles repairs and promotes overall health, making it easier for beginners to stick their workout routine. The sixth one is Electrol. It keeps you hydrated, helps maintain energy levels during workouts, and aids in preventing cramping, especially during intense training sessions. Thanks for tuning in. For more tips on fitness and nutrition, subscribe and join us next time. Keep pushing your limits.